And this section is lots of dips and preservative things. Preservatives as in they store it like pickles. And this is the baklava corner. A lot of Turkish sweets, Turkish delights. I wanted to taste some, but I chose not to because they are usually too sweet for me, and I don't really enjoy baklava that much, so I kind of skipped it. And this is something which they also call halwa. This is something black in color. I don't know what halwa it's made of, but sounds very similar to the halwa which we have in India. And here there are lot of milk items, milk produce, lots of cheese and fresh milk. And the time I came over here in the market, it was like in the morning around 11 o'clock, so it was quite empty, so not really filled with tourists. So that was quite nice. It wasn't very crowded because this market gets really busy, especially during lunch hour, and a lot of tourists also visit. And this is a shop. It was selling different kind of spices and teas. A lot of people were buying from here, so that was interesting. I could also not buy a lot of stuff because I had already packed my bag. And this is the bread section, and over here in Riga, Latvia, or even Balkan countries, people eat a lot of rye bread, like this dark brownish kind of a bread, which you see. And this bread is supposed to be really high in fiber and very healthy, but it does have a little peculiar taste. It's like a little bitter, a little sour, so it's something which everybody may not like. It needs to develop a taste. And this is lots of fresh honey they were selling. I wanted to pick up some, but I realized I already have enough honey at home, and plus I didn't have enough space in my bag, so I just chose not to. And then this section is essentially a lot of fish and meat, and some of them was like spiced up, like marinated, which was like ready to be put on grills. So the good thing was that they have this whole different section where they sell meats and cuts and fish, so they don't kind of mix up with other things. So if you are a vegetarian, you may not want to come to this section. Then these are some pickles, which